All right, we've got big breaking news coming in. The first statement from the Adani Group on the allegations put forth by the US court on the subsequent indictment of Gautam Adani. I'm going to read out for you the statement from the Adani Group. It says that the allegations made by the US Department of Justice and the US Securities and Exchange Commission against directors of Adani Green are baseless and denied. As stated by the US Department of Justice itself, the charges in the indictment are allegations and the defendants are presumed innocent unless and until proven guilty. All possible legal recourse will be sought. The Adani Group is always upheld and is steadfastly committed to maintaining the highest standards of governance, transparency and regulatory compliance across all jurisdictions of its operations. We assure our stakeholders, partners and employees that we are a law-abiding organization fully compliant with all laws. So this is the statement that's been put out by the Adani Group, very clearly dismissing the allegations and saying that the US court's indictment means nothing, that at this point the investigation is still underway and that these are mere allegations. The Adani Group in its statement has said that the defendants are presumed innocent unless and until proven guilty. They were also said at this point, and this is the defense that's coming from the Adani Group, they are maintaining that the Adani Group is always upheld and is steadfastly committed to maintaining the highest standards of governance and transparency. I want to bring in Milind Sharma on this. Milind, a detailed statement, the first one from the Adani Group on the allegations that they face right now, maintaining that these are just allegations.
Akshita, of course, the indictment there says that, until the charges in the indictment are allegations and they are defendants and are presumed innocent until proven guilty. And that is what the Adani Group has been harping on, that this is an indictment, but of course it could be fought by the Adani Group as well. And until every charge in the indictment of the US Department of Justice is proven, they are not guilty. And this is the first admission and statement officially that has come from the Adani Group, especially after Rahul Gandhi has just, held a press conference, and they are saying that they are committed to the highest governance and transparency, regulatory compliance across all jurisdictions of its operations. And of course, with the falling, stock market prices this morning of all the properties that the Adani Group has, they have said that they are also assuring stakeholders and partners that they are a law-abiding organization.
Okay, so this is the statement that's come in right now from the Adani Group, where they've said that all the allegations are baseless and denied. I want to also bring in Sakshi Batra of Business Today with us. Sakshi, this is the first detailed statement from the Adani Group on the allegations, following a brief one earlier where they had made it clear that the $600 million bond deal is being abandoned now.
Absolutely, Akshita. So this comes in as a huge relief for the Indian investors of the Adani Group. As the first official statement has come in and they have denied all the allegations that have been made against them, calling them baseless as well. And you can actually see a reaction already coming into the stock markets. If you look at Adani Enterprises, it's already started to recover from the 20% lower circuit. It's now down 18.5%. Even Adani Ports, for that matter, which was down lower 20%, is now only 12% lower in trade. So some sense of relief that the stock markets are drawing from this statement that Gautam Adani's spokesperson from the Adani Group has actually made right there. Let us see what actually else comes in, because this is just a reassuring factor. But there will be several developments that will need to be tracked. There is already a demand from Congress and the opposition parties on JPC. We'll have to see what the government really sees in this situation. Will we also see any kind of internal investigations really take up? Or do you think, or do we really see Gautam Adani himself coming out and speaking in public? He has done that after the Hindenburg research report, which actually reassured a lot of investors, and the Adani Group stocks soon after recovered in trade substantially from the losses post-Hindenburg. Will he really come back and reassure investors right there after this statement is something that we will need to watch out for. But definitely the first sign of relief that is coming today.
Can you explain that also to us, Sakshi? You were telling us that, you're already seeing some reaction in the markets to this statement. Can you just elaborate on that for us?
Absolutely. So two of the stocks that I already mentioned to you that have started to pull back from all-time lows levels that we have seen in trade today. Let me also check for you whether Adani Green and Adani Energy Solutions, the one that have been in the midst of all this controversy, have started to see some recovery. They're absolutely flat with that 17% downtick that we have been seeing right from the morning trade. Not much has changed over there, but at least the two flagship firms are already seeing some signs of reversal. Now, by the end of the day, 2.5 hours from now, will we see the markets recover as far as the Adani Group stocks are concerned? Remember, Akshata, after this loss today of 2.5 lakh crore rupees that have come out and talked about on India today, it's Gautam Adani's net worth, which has slipped $12.5 billion US as well. And his net worth now stands at $57.5 billion, down from nearly $70 billion that he had been holding up until Tuesday's end as well. So just in a single day, he's also seen a huge net worth loss. Now, whether that will see some signs of a recovery coming in is something that we'll have to watch, Akshata.
Okay, so the detailed statement that's now come in, and I'll just put the focus again on what's been said in the Adani Group statement. I'll just quickly read it out for you, where the spokesperson of Adani Group states that the allegations made by the US Department of Justice and the US Security and Exchange Commission against directors of Adani Green are baseless, are denied. As stated by the US Department of Justice itself, the charges in the indictment are allegations. The defendants are presumed innocent unless and until proven guilty. Now, the Adani Group, in the statement they've said, has always upheld and is steadfastly committed to maintaining the highest standards of governance, transparency and regulatory compliance.